In this video, I would like to show you how to multiply large numbers using traditional method. For example, we need to multiply 529 by 4. Let's place the numbers in the column way, like this. 529 by 4. Starting with the units. 9 times 4 is 36. 36 is 3/10 and 6 units. So let's leave 6 in the units place and we'll take 3/10 to the tens place. So 2/10 by 4 is 8/10 plus 3/10 is 11/10. I can't write 11 in the tens place, so I have to leave 1 in the tens place and to take 1 to the hundreds place. That is because 11/10 is 110 and 110 is 100 and 110. That's why I left 110 here and took 100 to the hundreds place. Now I multiply hundreds. 500 by 4 is 20 hundreds, plus 1 is 2100. So I will write 1 and 2. So my answer is 2116. Let's multiply even larger numbers. For example, say 349 multiplying by, say, 46. When we multiply by a number, by two-digit number, we'll multiply first by units and then by tens. So multiplying 349 by 6, multiplying by 6 first. Okay, I will write the numbers in the same way as we did before. 9 times 6 is 54. 54 is 5/10 and 4 units. So let's leave 4 units here and let's take 5/10 to the tens place. 4/10 by 6 is 24. 24/10. 24 plus 5 is 29. So I'm writing 9/10 here in the same way as we did here with 36. So I leave 9 here and I take 2 to the hundreds place. 3 times 6 is 18 plus 2 is 20. So let's write 20 here. Now we finished multiplying by 6. Now we need to multiply by 14. So let's multiply by 14. Multiplying by 40 is not that difficult. We can multiply first by 10 and then by 4. Multiplying by 10 gives us a number that ends in 0. So we write 0 here. And multiplying by 4 is going to be the same as it was in the previous example. 9 times 4 is 36. So we write 6 in this place and we take 3 to the next hundreds place. 4 times 4 is 16 plus 3 is 19. So we write 9 here and we take 1 to the next place. 3 times 4 is 12 plus 1 is 13. We finished multiplying by 40. Everything what is left is just simply we need to add two numbers. 4 plus 0 is 4. 9 plus 6 is 15. We write 5 here and we take 1 to the next place. 1 plus 0 plus 9 is 10. So we leave 0 here and we take 1 to the next place. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 3 plus 3 is 6, right? So we write 6 here and 1 there, and here we are, we finished. Now let's multiply even larger numbers. Say 578 multiplied by 236. We will multiply this number following the same procedure. Starting with the units, we have 8 times 6 is 48. Let's write here that what we're doing, we're multiplying by 6. Then later we'll multiply by 30. Then later we'll multiply by 200. And we'll add all three results together. So let's go back to multiplying 578 by 6. 8 times 6 is 48. We're leaving 8 in the units place and we take 4 tens to the tens place. 7 times 6 is 42. 42 plus 4 is 46. 6 here and 4 on top of 500. 5 times 6 is 30. 30 plus 4 is 34. So we write 34 here. Now we multiply 578 by 3. 30 in fact. So multiplying by 30 is not difficult. We multiply by 10 first, so our number will be ending in 10, and now we multiply by 3. 8 times 3, let's change color so it would be easy to see. So 8 times 3 is 24. I'm writing 4 here and 2 to the next digit. 7 times 3 is 21 plus 2 is 23. I write 3 here and I take 2 to the next digit. 5 times 3 is 15 plus 2 is 17. We finished multiplying by 30. Now we need to multiply by 200. Multiplying by 200 should start from multiplying by 100 first and then by 2. So when we multiply a number by 100, our number will be ending into 2 zeros. So I'm writing my 2 zeros straight away. And now everything what is left, just multiply my number by 2. 8 times 2 is 16. So I'm writing 6 here and 1 goes on top of 7. 7 times 2 is 14 plus 1 is 15. I'm writing 5 here and 1 here. 5 times 2 is 10 plus 1 is 11. So let's add them together. 8 plus 0 is 8. 6 plus 4 plus 0 is 10. Writing 10, 0 here, and we take 1 on top. 1 plus 4 plus 3 plus 6 is 14. 1 plus 3 plus 7 plus 5. 3 plus 7 is 10. Plus 1 is 11, plus 5 is 16. So we have 6 here and 1 on top of the next digit. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. And 1 at the front. So here we are. We've got our answer, 136,408. On the next page, I will show you a few examples that I would like you to try to solve on your own. 455 multiplied, say, by 8. You need to pause the video and try the question on your own, and only when you finish, switch on the video again to check whether you were right. Now pause the video. Here is how this question should be solved. 5 times 8 is 40. I write 0 here and 4 on top of 5. 5 times 8 is 40. 40 plus 4 is 44. I write 4 here and 4 on top. 4 times 8 is 32. 32 plus 4 is 36. Here is my answer. Now, I would like to offer you a harder question. Say 361 multiplied by 23. Again, pause the video, try the question on your own, and only then check your solution. Pause it now. Here is how you should solve this question. 1 times 3 is 3. 6 times 3 is 18. I write 8 here and I take 1 there. 3 times 3 is 9 plus 1 is 10. Now multiplying by 20. When I multiply by 20, I first multiply by 10 and then by 2. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 6 is 12. So I write 2 here and 1 there. Let's leave that one from the previous. It's good for us. 3 times 2 is 6. Plus 1 is 7. Now we are ready to add. 3 plus 0 is 3. 8 plus 2 is 10. So I will write 0 here and 1. 1 plus 0 plus 2 is 3. 1 plus 7 is 8. Here is my answer. Okay, and I would like to offer now very hard question, and now my numbers are going to be even 3-digit numbers. Say 159 multiplied by 367. Again, I'd like to try the question on your own first. Pause the video now and try on your own. Here is how you should solve this question. First, we will multiply 159 by 7. So I will be multiplying by 7. Then we will multiply it by 60. And then we will multiply it by 300. Okay? Now multiplying by 7. 159 by 7. 9 times 7 is 63. I write 3 here and 6 on top of 5. 5 times 7 is 35. Plus 6 is 41. 1 here and 4 on top of 1. 1 times 7 is 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. Now let's multiply my number by 60. When I multiply by 60, I first multiply my number by 10 and then by 6. 9 times 6 is 54. I write 4 here and 5 on top of 5. 5 times 6 is 30. 30 plus 5 is 35. I write 5 here and 3 on top of 1. 1 times 6 is 6. Plus 3 is 9. Okay. Now I will be multiplying by 300. So let's pick up different color and we'll multiply now by 300. When I multiply a number by 300, I first multiply by 100. And now only everything what is left is just multiplying by 3. 9 times 3 is 27. We write 7 here and 2 on top of 5. 5 times 3 is 15 plus 2 is 17. Okay. 1 times 3 is 3 plus 1 is 4. And now we add all the numbers together. 3 plus 0 is 3. 1 plus 4 plus 0 is 5. 1 plus 5 plus 7 is 6 plus 7 is 13. So, and we have 1. 1 plus 1 and plus 9 is 11. 11 plus 7 is 18. So we write 8 here and 1 on top of 4. 1 plus 4 is 5. Here we are. We finished this complicated question and we've got 58,353. That's it. Thank you for watching.